even for those who are thousands of miles from Rome, there is a chance for an up-close look at St. Peter's Basilica thanks to an initiative from the Holy See and Microsoft that features 400,000 photos. EWTN Vatican journalist Benedict Sidegren has more.
We are here today because St. Peter was here 2,000 years ago. So the first chapter of the story brings to life in new ways, audio, digitally, the story of his life, the story that is told in the Gospels. And from there, one then sees the second chapter in this story. It's the story of this place. What has happened here over the course of 2,000 years?
And now, in 2024, the birth of Christianity is brought to life through the technology of artificial intelligence. Today, the Vatican virtually opened St. Peter's Basilica to the world after unveiling its digital twin developed by Microsoft. The initiative is a collaboration between the American tech company and the Fabric of St. Peter, the organization responsible for the conservation and maintenance of St. Peter's Basilica. Microsoft captured over 400,000 high-resolution images of the Basilica using drones, cameras, and lasers. It resulted in 2 immersive exhibitions at the Basilica itself and an interactive website. In 2019, Brad Smith launched Microsoft's AI for Cultural Heritage program to provide digitally enriched ways to explore art, architecture, and historical sites through AI, but describes this initiative as one of the largest projects of its kind.
The ability to take all of this data and see this basilica as I think no generation has ever seen it before. To go from the tombs underneath the floor all the way to the top of the dome, to see it from the outside and in, to understand what an extraordinary place it is. And we're not just creating something that will enable people to come to Rome and visit the Vatican and understand this place and what happened here in new ways. We're taking this story to the world.
Members of the Fabric of St. Peter were challenged to use the latest technologies to help in their apostolic ministry, but to always respect the Basilica's sacredness and preserve it as a living place of faith and history.
Out of this partnership, we've been able to combine what we know and learn from each other. And in that deeper meaning that we've found, I think we have created something that can connect the world and bring people together.
This isn't the only collaboration between Microsoft and the Catholic Church. Last month, Microsoft announced a collaboration with the City of Rome to develop Julia, an AI-based virtual assistant that will help the over 35 million visitors expected for the upcoming 2025 Jubilee year. In Rome, Benedict Sidegren, EWTN News Nightly.